Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panoramic moonroof, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.